Class 10. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6, manufacturing industry. So our life is full of manufactured products. Like in the morning we use toothpaste, toothbrush. Those are manufactured products. We use paper, we use pencil, we use scale, even mobiles, laptops, computers, all are manufactured products. So what is the exact definition of manufactured products or manufacturing? Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable products is called manufacturing. So that's mean when we process lots of raw materials to valuable products or a finished good, that is known as manufacturing. Manufacturing, definition of manufacturing is very much important for 1 mark question. Okay. So then some example of manufacturing, like we can get paper from wood, okay, then iron and steel from iron, then aluminium from bauxite, okay, and many more things. Okay. So now students, remember, who work in this sector, in manufacturing industries or manufacturing sector, they are known as secondary workers, okay, and tertiary workers who transport that finished goods to the market or to the consumer, they are known as tertiary worker, okay. And I think you know that who are primary workers, who are involved in their occupation, in the agriculture, okay. Now in manufacturing industry is very much important for growing economy for any country. In this chapter we will discuss about importance of manufacturing industries, then industrial location, types of industry. There are several types of industry like large scale industry, small scale industry, agro based industry, mineral based industry, and many more. And then we will discuss in detail about some agro based industries like jute, cotton textile, okay. Now then we will discuss mineral based industries like iron and steel industry, aluminium industry, cement industry. Then we will discuss about some industrial pollution like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Then in the last we will discuss how we can control that pollution, okay. So first topic of this chapter, which is the importance of manufacturing industry. Students, remember one thing, manufacturing industry is considered backbone of a national economy. Why? Because our reasons are, number one, reducing dependence. Reducing dependence from what? From agriculture. We know almost more than 60% population engaged in agriculture. So industry reducing dependence from the agriculture and give us large job opportunities, okay. Then next point, reducing poverty. When we set up some industry in a rural area or backward area, or suppose in a metropolitan area, that can reduce poverty as well as the unemployment problem, which is the major problem for our country, unemployment, okay. By industry setup we can reduce the poverty. Then the next point is, the next importance is foreign exchange. When we export our product, when we export our product to different countries, then we can get some foreign currency, which is very much helpful for our growing national economy, okay. And the last one is the national prosperity. Listen very carefully. Now what is the national prosperity? When we produce the finished good in our country, the raw material present in our country, when we produce the finished goods also in our country, then we can get some that will help the national economy huge, okay. So that is the national prosperity, okay. One line in your book, that is, the industry and agriculture move hand in hand. This is very much important question for your board. Agriculture and industry move hand in hand. Elaborate this statement, okay. Can you elaborate? Then listen, manufacturing industries and agriculture move hand in hand because they help each other. How? We can get some agricultural product, or we can get some agricultural products like jute, cotton, okay, then sugarcane, which help to build up a industry. Similarly, in industry we produce various tools, modern tools like irrigation pump, fertilizer, pesticide, insecticides for growing agriculture. Okay, for that reason we can say the agriculture and industry move hand in hand. Okay, so that's it for today. Next day I will teach you industrial location. Thank you.